This is Christmas Miniatures, Book 1, arranged by Margaret Goldston, and I will be playing Away in a Manger. As you're learning this piece, you'll want to know that the beginning is played one octave lower than written. And that's not very common to have that sign written down there for both hands. So if you have any trouble with just kind of getting used to both hands being an octave lower and reading it this way, practice line 2 as written, or just practice this as written. But notice how they're almost identical to each other. This is played as written, and if you get used to that, then it'll be easier to move the hands an octave lower and play that. So if you have any trouble here, play it as written and then move it an octave lower. Notice the left hand crossovers. Also be looking out for your key signature. So we're looking for F sharps and C sharps. A lot of the C's are played as naturals, and she marks those in. So watch out for those C naturals. Right here in this measure, we have the left hand crossover to the C and E, and then the right hand is going to come right in, take over that C natural, keep it as a natural, we're in the same measure, and then just move fingers 5 and 3 down, and then down one more time. So you're taking over at that C, and then just moving 5 and 3, and then 5 and 3 to the F sharp and A in measure 9, and then from there just follow the fingering. Watch for, again, F sharps and C sharps. Feel free to write those sharp signs right in the music. We use a pencil if you need help remembering them. The left hand uses this repeating pattern of D, A, B with fingers 5, 2, 1. So it's the interval of a sixth, and then just playing the A up there as well. You're going to see that many, many times, and you'll see a similar pattern of C, G, A, the same interval, the same fingering. So be on the lookout for that. You're going to see that a lot. But then you also see the smaller version that fits in the fifth, D, G, A. It just fits in your 5-finger pattern, so you'll be using some of that as well. And then here, back at measure 16, we're back up to that stretched D, A, B, repeating pattern, and then again that shrunken D, G, A. So watch out, keep your eagle eyes on your music. When we get to measure 25, both hands go an octave higher right there at the beginning of the measure. And it's just basically you're taking over what the right hand played here, your left hand is taking that over. The same notes, same position. And then you're repeating a lot of the beginning part of the song an octave higher. And then you have a little ending where you're going to end that octave higher. Just move hands as written. You'll be repeating this pattern, just an octave lower. And then both hands again go one octave lower. You can always tell it's lower when the octave sign is written below the notes. Enjoy the beautiful sounds of Away in a Manger.